everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jam. So for today's video, I will be doing a Truth or Dare inspired makeup look. I will be doing the exaggerated smile makeup look that is really creepy. Exaggerated smile really creeps me out kasi smiling is something nice and you're adding something sinister to it. So parang dun siya naging creepy. So without further ado, let's get started. Hi everyone! So the first thing that I would be doing is outlining the exaggerated smile and how my lips would be extended. So for that, I would be using a brown eyeshadow. You can also use a brown eyeliner for this or a white eyeliner if you prefer the white eyeliner. I like the brown eyeshadow more kasi mas madali siyang burahin rather than the eyeliners. Pero it's up to you kung saan ka komportableng gamitin. So yeah, you're just going to outline yung smile kung gaano kalaki mo siya gusto and we'll be right back. So now, after applying or outlining yung smile natin, I'm just going to take liquid latex and some cotton to create yung fake lips natin na humaba siya. So with that, I'm using liquid latex. You can use Elmer's glue. Gagana rin naman siya the same. Gusto ko lang yung liquid latex kasi mas mabilis siyang matuyo compare sa Elmer's glue. And mas flexible kesa sa Elmer's glue. So if you want yung medyo mas relax yung face mo na kaya mong medyo magsalita, you can use the liquid latex. Pero mas mura yung Elmer's glue. If you are in a budget, you can use Elmer's glue. So, after matuyo nung liquid latex or Elmer's glue, if Elmer's glue yung ginamit mo, papatungan lang natin ng darker concealer yung part na nilagyan natin ng cotton to color correct yung areas na yon so it will blend with our skin later on once we apply the foundation. So now I'm just going to quickly add some eyeshadow on my lids and some mascara and curling my lashes and adding some mascara on my lashes. So now, after applying eyeshadows or finishing my eyes, I'm just going to do my lips now. For this step, huwag niyo akong tutularan. I made a mistake on using a regular lipstick, yung cream, hindi yung liquid lipstick. It would be a lot easier if liquid lipstick yung ginamit ko kasi mas madaling pumunta sa mga crevices or sa mga bumps ng cotton yung liquid lipstick rather than yung regular lipstick lang. So, for this step, I suggest using liquid lipstick rather than the one I used is a regular red lipstick. So, yeah. Just apply lipstick all over our new lips and we'll be going to the next step. So now, after applying our lipstick and bomb-ass lipstick, now we're going to be creating a smile lines. I'm using a brown eyeshadow. Light brown muna yung una kong ginamit to create shadow dun sa ating smile lines. And then I work my way in sa darker eyeshadow. I'm slowly working my way in sa darker eyeshadow para mag-create nung talagang smile line siya na nakalubog yung areas na yun. So, create yung effect na ang laki ng ating ngiti. So, to finish up the look, I'm just going to take a black face paint and create the opening ng ating lips. Lalagyan ko lang ng, kung saan natin nilagay yung brown eyeshadow, yung pinaka-smile, doon natin lalagay yung yung black na face paint. This will be the last step and we're going to show you the finished product. So guys, this is the finished look. This is my Truth or Dare inspired makeup look. Medyo may pagka-Joker-ish na rin siya because of the red lipstick. Pero Truth or Dare talaga yung inspiration ko dito. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like this video, share this with your friends, and comment down below on what looks you want me to do next. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at jaminsane.t or Twitter at jaminsane_t. And while you're here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And always remember to stay insanely gorgeous. See you on my next video. Bye!